guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make tortellini alla panna, one of my favorite, creamiest, cheesiest pastas. I love it so much, and I know Flavia's going to like it too. But we're making it for Mother's Day because winter is starting now, it's getting cold, and who doesn't love comfort food? And you can give Mum a bit of a break because this is really easy to make, but it tastes amazing. So give her a bit of a break from cooking, even though I'm the one that always cooks at home. My mum loves this, so I'll make it for her anyway because she deserves to be praised on Mother's Day. And I'm sure your mum will love it too, unless she's lactose intolerant. These are the ingredients you're going to need. So you'll need about 500 grams of tortellini pasta. I'm using very small tortellini. Of course you can use larger ones and have any filling you want. Cheesy, meaty. I've got veal and cheese, so I'm very excited. About 200 to 225 grams of pancetta or streaky bacon chopped fine, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 to 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now, of course, this depends on how cheesy you want to be. I like being cheesy, so I'll put quite a bit in. 1 tablespoon of butter, 300 mils of thickened cream, hello arteries, and then salt and pepper to taste. So what we're going to do first is start cooking our pasta. Mine takes about 6 to 7 minutes to cook, but a little tip is when you've got your water boiling, once you've put the pasta in, when the tortellini rises to the surface, that's when you know it's done. As well, you can just try one and see if it's cooked through. While our pasta is boiling, we're going to make our sauce. I'm so excited because it smells so good and it's just heaven in a bowl. Let's do that now while the pasta cooks. So what we're going to do first is put our olive oil in our pan, then we're going to add our bacon or pancetta and cook it until it's slightly browned. Once you've browned your bacon, add the butter and thickened cream. Bring it to a low simmer and then cook for about 2 minutes until it's thickened up slightly. This is a sometimes food, people. In the last minute of your pasta cooking, we're going to add our cheese to our sauce and then season with salt and pepper and more cheese if you want it. Then we're going to slowly add our pasta. I'm just going to drain it with a slotted spoon straight into the pan. Now, you want your sauce to be relatively thick. A little trick for it is if you run your spatula or spoon through it, and it does that, it takes a little while for it to all come back together. Look at it. It's so beautiful and thick with 2 C's and a Q. So again, I'm using a slotted spoon to take my pasta out, and I don't mind if a little bit of the pasta water comes into the sauce. The water just helps balance it out a bit and also can help thin it out if it's too thick. Okay guys, that's how you make my tortellini alla panna. It honestly takes about 10 minutes to make. It's really quick. I'm sure mums will love it. The smell has actually brought my mum into the kitchen, which I find really funny because it's one of her favorites. But yeah, I say we get going and just eat it. Mama?
Let's eat.
All right. Oh yeah, let's eat. You remember that more than I do. Well done.
Smells so good. Oh. That's beautiful.
So this will cook, well, I was about to say if Jake's eating it as well. This will definitely feed 4 people.
But if you have a Jake.
But if you have a Jake, it might feed 2 Jakes, I don't know. But yes, and also shout out to Cam, Flavia's mum, for getting us matching jumpers, which I think is really cute because mummies are awesome and I hope that you like it, mummy.
Yeah. Delicious.
Yeah. Yes.
Happy Mother's Day to everyone.
Aww. Cute. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.